So far is not really difficult. It's more of trying to figure out where and how I'm going to take this thing out. The side pillars just comes down. Both of these just come down. You just take these like this. Just take this off. Same thing with this. You take the pillars down. There's that piece right there. That's the airbag. You pop it. It's got one bolt. All the wires they're taped to the actual headliner, so you have to take that down. There's 2 bolts in the home switch, I call it. There's 2 bolts in there, so you take out the lights, do the 2 bolts, and then you pull down. And when you pull down, it takes that down to unhook the wires. Same thing with the light back there for your passenger light. You do the exact same thing. You pull it down, 2 bolts, and then you start wiggling it, and it's got little pop rivets and stuff like that. So make sure you just take your time. I'm trying to figure out now how to take it out of the car, but I will do an install video of how to put it back in, and also how to run the wires for the Starlight video. So almost done. I'm still trying to figure out how I'm going to mount it to the side pillar. So far it's all gone down the side pillar and then coming underneath the carpet, under the seat, and then it's gonna mount up there, but I'm not quite sure if I'm gonna keep it there or not. So far it's been a pain in the ass doing this thing. It looks like a mess, but of course right now it's all chaotic because I'm not, oh, there's one here. I'm trying to, I got to hot glue them on one side, get them settled in and pushed in. So that's the next thing, trying to get everything worked in and ready. But so far, just a lot of work. You can make the little tiny holes with the kit it comes with, and it has the twinkle, so it's gonna look cool. I think once I'm done. It's just tedious, very tedious job. So was definitely a project, but I couldn't do a tutorial video on it because realistically it's a lot, and I was doing it all on the side of the car. So it's really hard to actually do a tutorial video, but everything came out nice. Ooh, I see a little something right there I gotta get. I'm a perfectionist, man. So for me, I have to make sure everything goes back normal, but I decided not to do the front because I didn't want it being a distraction while I drive. So doing it towards the back. And believe me when I say I was randomized, I did not pick how I wanted it. I just kind of went for it. And it's 400 and about 30. I still had 30 or something left, but it was the small ones. So I really didn't want to put the small ones in any more places because it was already tight with the sunroof, because the sunroof has to slide back. So I decided to cut the 30 and just tuck it back up in the top. But how I want it, like I said, is just kind of natural looking. Also, I kept to the sides, so I didn't want to go up down the pillars or anything like that because I didn't want it being seen from the outside of the vehicle. I just wanted it being seen from the inside, so when you come in it kind of gives that VIP style. So yeah, comment, let me know what you think. It's definitely hard. If you would like to understand how to do it, DM me or hit me up on my Instagram at Acura TLW 87 or Mark TLW 87, and I can let you know how to do it. It's just, like I said, very, very hard. Make sure you have about 2 or 3 days just in case, and then make sure you do not break your headliner. I came close, I thought I did, on that side over there towards the driver's side. I thought I might have broke it, but it didn't. It was just pop, so it popped down. So this one has 2 pops there. It has the handles that hold it up. It has the lights that hold it up. It has a magnet right there in the middle where the sunroof is. It has 2 Velcros on each, or 4 Velcros on each side. Then it has 2 pops on the front. Then of course it has handles in the front, the visors, and then that Like I said, not hard, but in the end, pain, tedious.